I stand before you today with gratitude for choosing Ilocos Sur to be your venue for the celebration of World Environment Health Day.
This event transcends mere ceremonial significance. It signifies a collective dedication to two fundamental pillars of human development, health and environment. The well-being of our population is intrinsically linked to the condition of our environment. Clean air, healthy water, sustainable food sources, and a resilient ecosystem are essential. They are the pillars of public well-being and human dignity.
Kinokondak ang World Environmental Health Day upang ipagdiwang ang importansya ng environmental health sa kalusugan ng mga tao. Dahil ang environmental health ay importante rin upang magkaroon ng holistic health ang isang individual.
Healthcare Without Harm is in Ilocos today because we have a strong partnership with Ilocos CHD. We are very thankful for the partnership and for the activities that we have been conducting year and year again with Ilocos CHD. This is in terms of carbon footprinting, and now we have students. So University of Northern Philippines students are here and just behind me inside the hall having their workshop on World Environmental Health Day, which for 2025, for the theme for 2025 is clean air and healthy people. So we are trying to instill their advocacy and to teach them, advocate their clean air and what they can do.
Like a never-ending story. Oh, hear me when I cry. I don't care how it goes, better or worse than most. I want liberation. It's the only way I'll say what you can care about.
Kailangan ng lipunan ng mga kagaya ninyong mga estudyante na nag-aaral patungkol sa ano bang kahalagahan ng maging tagapangalaga ng kalikasan, lumikha ng maayos at makatarungang mga sistema, no, sa pagpaplano, no.
Justice is what loves look like in public. Ang hustisya, ayun yung pagmamahal natin sa nakikita natin sa araw-araw. Like, maging concern tayo sa bawat isa. Maging concern tayo sa paligid natin. Maging concern tayo sa kalikasan. Maging concern tayo sa tubig. Maging concern tayo sa hangin. Kasi doon natin makikita yung hustisya sa pagmamahal natin dun sa mga living things na nakasurround dun sa
It's the only way I'll say what you can